our crew's making their approach, but you can see the winds blowing in the background. The wind and the current is bringing that boat back toward us. And, oh no, he hit the brakes, which means it's going to go that way really quick. Oh! He looks back. He just smacked the engine cowl into the dock. And he looks back like, what was that? Well, it's the dock, bro. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru production back at the ramp, and today we're visiting Black Point. This guy's going to have a little bit of a struggle trying to get this one corrected. The wind and current's ripping today, pulling back toward the dock here, and he's going to have to get a push off of some kind and a little bit of help to make this work. So here we go with a little bit of the reverse action. They're slowly getting it off. And we got somebody on the dock now, which should help significantly. And he's grabbed a bow line. Oh, no! Oh! Oh, man, that hurts watching. Our guy just nailed that throttle forward. The crazy part's he already had somebody on the dock. So he had somebody who's going to be able to bring him in. He really didn't need to do a whole lot with the throttle at all there. But he decided he was going to go a little throttle happy and bring it in on his own. And our crew's making themselves ready and trying to line up to get this thing onto the dock. But we've got Wifey in the bow. And these boats are always interesting when you're approaching the dock. Depends on the tide here at Black Point, but we're kind of at a mid-tide. But I mean, still, Wifey's going to be higher than the dock. And then she's going to have to get over the bow rail on this boat. And it always makes it interesting. And on top of that, we're going to add wind and current that is just ripping today. And that wind and current should bring them right into the dock, actually, if they just want to let it ride. And here goes Wifey, making her attempt. Oh, she's stuck. She's stuck on the bow rail. No, no, no. And she's trying to get the leg over, but man, she made it off. That was a close one. Honestly, that could have gone really wrong really fast, but fortunately she was able to use her boat acrobatic skills and get herself over onto the dock. Oh, they kind of hit the front of it. They do a brake check. Now the brake check's going to send them into the boats behind them. With the wind and current pulling the way it's pulling today, if these guys get pushing away from the dock, that current's just grabbing them. They don't have a whole lot of options. So they're going to have to try and bring this one back up and see if they can get back onto the dock. They kind of did a little dock bump, used a little brake check, and they had to push off the boat behind them as well. It's just been wild down here today. What should be easy tasks you would figure at the ramp have all been made difficult. And I'm really not picking on any captain down here because I'm watching every one of them struggle. And here we go. Cap's going to start making her approach, and it looks like she's going to go for one as well. And one's giving people fits because it's the tightest space down here. And once again, that wind and current's going from the right across the left of the screen that we're looking at here. And you can already tell it's starting to drag her a little bit to the left. She's going to have to come in at a steep angle. She's going to have to give a little throttle on this one to try and make it. I mean, she's got a crew member ready to make the leap and go ahead and try and make the jump over to get off. And here we go. And he's off, but she's coming in a little hot. And he's got to kick it out. But the boat, here we go. He's going to have to grab her and pull her back. And we should be good now. She just came in a little bit hot on that one, but she kind of needed to. And our crew's making their approach, trying to figure out which dock to go to. So it looks like they've picked a dock, and we're going to try and make the approach on this one. And once again, they're going to go against the wind and current, so it should make for an interesting time as they try and set this one up. So we're getting in close. Wifey's got a line up in the bow. But Cap left the helm. Where is he going? He doesn't want to leave the helm today because this current's going to grab him, and that's exactly what's happening. This boat's moving. This is not one of those days where you can really do that. He thought he was going to walk up there, grab the dock, and try and pull him up. But once again, this wind and current's just pulling back so hard that the second he tried to do that, it grabbed the boat. And now they're still kind of in a tough spot because they've got the bow up here, but they're going to have to try and swing the stern of this around, and it's not going to happen as easy as they'd probably like it to. And here we go. Cap realizes that, and he's going to grab a line and try and get it up to the dock. And this is definitely going to be the easiest way to get this done on a day like today. Let somebody up there handle those lines and just pull you in. And they should be good from here. And here we go again. We've got another one stuck on the ramp. So they've been trying to get off for a few minutes now, but they're not getting very far. They just hit this certain point on the ramp. Those rear tires are giving, and then they're just spinning. So he does have a couple crew members here. We haven't tried adding any weight onto the rear of the truck. And here we go. He's going to try pulling one more time. No, we're not going to get anywhere. They're probably really going to have to put a couple people on the bed of this truck to try and see if they can get it out. So it looks like he's going to back up just a little bit again. Maybe see if he can get a running start and see if that'll give him a hand in getting this thing out of here. And here we go. He's going to pull one more time. He might get it this time. No, he just gets stopped. Once again, I mean, this is a complete separate situation, but here to the left, you can see these guys struggling to get the boat into the dock. That current's just been wicked today. And I'm surprised he hasn't tried moving anybody over yet. So right now, he's still just basically trying to back up a little bit, give it a running start, and see if he can pull it out that way. And he kind of keeps coming at it with the same results. I know that, you got to try something different at some point. Doing the same thing over and over again, typically you're going to get the same result, unless he just gets absolutely lucky and catches a dry patch somewhere where he's just able to get a grip. And we're going to back it down one more time and go for the running start again. And no, one more time. The thing he's got to be careful about here, the more he tries this and the more he keeps backing down going for that running start, the more he risks something going wrong as he's coming back down this ramp. And risks this truck getting the Black Point car wash. So here we go, one more again. We're gonna make it. Come on, give her hell, get her up there. And no. This time he didn't go all the way back down. He tried staying up top, trying to keep it on the high side. And every time he gains a few inches, though, he's having to bring it back down. And all we can hear is the tires spinning. He may have to call some backup in on this one. If he's not going to put anybody in the bed of the truck, we may need one of these other vehicles down here to try and help pull him out. He's at least got it high up on the ramp now. He's not coming back down anymore, so I don't want to say we're past the point of him getting this thing wet, because it's not impossible. It definitely can start sliding backwards at any point in time. But he's kind of gaining a little bit of ground and trying to keep it. But he's giving her hell. I mean, you can just hear the tires spinning. Oh, we're gaining a little bit of momentum here. Is he going to get it up? There we go. It looks like he's got it up, and he's going to get it out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.